Hi, I'm Xenowave, and today I'm going to show you how I made this sound. Here it is in context. Okay, so the main idea behind this sound is just filtering a saw wave with some effects on it. So operator 1 is just a saw wave, that's it. Operator 6 is just a sine wave for sub-reinforcement. And the main magic of the sound is in filter 1 and the effects. But filter 1 is causing the iconic sound. So I have vanilla low pass on, I have high quality and flat, and I have alternate dual on. The cutoff envelope is at 44%. The cutoff frequency is at 50%. The resonance is at 43%. And of course, you can always change these around to modify your sound as needed. And the cutoff envelope right here is what's causing the rolling bass sound, the sweep. So let's solo just a saw wave. That's all that's happening. That's all it is. And I have to argue that this is the most important knob because this controls the intensity at which the low pass sweeps. So if I bring it down, it won't sweep as hard, as much as it would up here. So let's bring it down to 60%. It's barely sweeping, but if I bring it up here, you can really hear the movement. So the idea is just find a sweet spot with the envelope and you'll be able to really get the sound. And that's it for the filter, really. I do have the tempo on and I have it sweeping on the 16th note. So you can adjust that as needed. And I have some arbitrary tension curve. But that's it for the filter. For the effects now, I have a coarse order of 9. And these are my coarse settings. Feel free to change these as needed, honestly. Coarse depth is at 100. Coarse speed is at 100. Delay is at 25%. Spread is at 100%. Chorus cross is at 68% and volume is at 100%. Doesn't matter. That's really just to taste. Delay 2 is on, and I have default feedback, delay time, I believe. No, I have a delay time of 2. Yeah, delay time 2 seconds, and I have 9 milliseconds to the left for the delay time stereo offset. And I have the delay volume to 50%, so that's default, and I have ping pong on. And for delay 3, I have the same settings, but I have this for delay time stereo offset, I have it at 12.6 milliseconds to the right, and ping pong on as well. So again, completely arbitrary, just mess with these sliders as needed. It does not have to be these exact numbers. And oh, I don't have reverb. You could put reverb on here, but with the delay, I guess I thought it was satisfying enough. I mean, that's the sound. There's not much to it. Well, you could. We have this whole matrix here. We could just go crazy. Well, I guess I was trying something before. All right, let's see what happens. Let's actually default this. Yeah. So let's see what happens if I modulate by a sine wave. Could be interesting. and so on. And oh, I will note actually as an extra, for rolling bass lines, we usually have 16th notes on the offbeat, so we never really have a note, basically a note where the kick plays. I mean, you can, but I generally see like this as the not the trend, the standard. Yeah. And you can variate the bass line just by changing the octave of the. Actually, let's just demonstrate. So originally, I just had the rhythm like that, and I just took random notes of those patterns of those rhythms and put them up an octave, and I came up with this instead of this. So on and so forth. And yeah, that's it. That's the sound. If you have any questions, let me know, and have an awesome day.